Hello friends, so welcome to our channel Planscape Aqua. In this video we are going to discuss about and talk about BBA algae. BBA algae means black beard algae or black bush algae. In this video we will show you that how you can maintain this algae and how you can control it manually and what kind of fish you can add to remove and to get from this algae, and we will also discuss about that how it's a main cause of this algae and how you can remove and how you can dose hydrogen peroxide to remove this algae. So watch full the video and we will discuss this topic in depth. So if you new in this channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and comment us and join with black beard algae. It's mean that's BBA algae. It's a very dangerous algae in our planted tank and it's a very difficult to remove this algae. In this video we are talking about that how you can remove this algae and what's the main reason. We will show you the step by step point that how you can get rid from the algae and what's the main reason of this algae. Mainly this is a planted tank, so if you inject CO2 and if you inject nutrient, it can causes this algae. If you inject a lot of nutrient and lot of fluctuation of CO2 and good enough light, it will cause this algae. So step by step we will start here. That's how you can remove this algae by manually and how you can remove this algae by chemically. So watch full the video and join with us. Thank you. Here is the actual look of this affected leaf. We are trying to show you that how it's look like. You can see the all the leaves are covered with black beard algae. Here is the leaf and the dark spot you can see, all those are black beard algae and it's a very dangerous algae. So you have to remove all the affected leaf and try to maintain your plant growth and try to balance your CO2 injection of your tank and light, and it's sure that your tank has good filtration and good circulation of CO2. So all the Alternanthera reiniki mini leaves are affected by BB algae. How BBA algae looks. Number 1. Black beard algae belong to the group of red algae, just like staghorn algae. Their natural color is not red, though, but varies from dark green over gray to a deep black. However, if you put this algae in alcohol, they will turn reddish. This is an easy proof that the algae you are dealing with are actually red algae. Beard algae cling stubbornly to the ground they grow on. like technical equipment, the leaf margin of aquatic plants, aquarium decoration, or even gain of the substrate. The algae stops look like a beard or a bush, and that's where the name comes from. Causes of BBA algae. In aquascapes or planted tank, a well-balanced nutrient supply is vital for the plant. In planted tank, you often have beard algae when there is an imbalance of micronutrient stress elements, especially iron. If you already use an iron fertilizer, you ought to reduce the doses. Measure the iron content of the water with a water test kit. It ought to be at around 0.05 to 0.1 milligram per liter. Of course, carbon dioxide and micronutrient should be added too. How to get rid from BB algae? Improve circulation of water, fertilization and CO2 level, and change the water regularly. Daily use of a liquid carbon product can help to prevent BBA and treat it once it appears. The most direct route is to remove any leaves with BB on them by cutting them off with scissors. Use a stiff toothbrush or even a wire brush to scrub the worst of the BBA from algae, from leaf, plants and rock, and siphon any dislodged algae and detritus, removing it from the tank. At last, you can add some alligator fish, which is BBA alligator. Number 1 is Siamese alligator. Number 2 is Florida flatfish. Number 3 black mollies. Number 4 platies. Number 5 amano shrimp, which will be the best for BBA alligator. Ramshon snail, and number 7 is hornerite. Hornerite also a best choice to remove the BBA alligator, and you can also add a zebra nerite snail. So friends, that's enough for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you can learn lot of things from BBA algae. Hope we are able to discuss all the things about BBA algae. And if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment our channel. And for today, goodbye.